In this video, we'll be discussing the nuances of international travel when you have a criminal history, specifically focusing on the 601 waiver and related considerations. We'll delve into key issues you need to be aware of and offer some viable advice to make your journey less stressful and more predictable. Here's what we'll cover. First, an introduction to the concept of 601 waivers and what they encompass in terms of international travel. Next, we'll discuss the key considerations involved when you have a criminal history. Then, we'll move on to provide advice and suggestions for traveling under these circumstances. Finally, we'll wrap up with valuable concluding tips. Let's start by understanding what a 601 waiver is and why it's significant for individuals with a criminal history who wish to travel internationally. This waiver allows certain inadmissible individuals to enter the United States despite their ineligibilities, but keep in mind, it's not a guaranteed entry. There are several key considerations when traveling internationally with a criminal history. A 601 waiver does not guarantee entry because it's subject to the discretion of the CBP officer at the port of entry. The nature of the crime is crucial, especially those involving moral turpitude. Multiple convictions make the waiver process more complex. Expungements might not erase history for immigration purposes. The port of entry and CBP officer's judgment play significant roles. Here's a quick quiz. Which of the following is not a guarantee of entry with a 601 waiver? Is it the approval by immigration, CBP officer discretion, or past travel approvals? Pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the correct answer in the next part of the video. The correct answer is CBP officer discretion. Even if you have a 601 waiver, the final decision to allow or deny entry lies with the CBP officers at the port of entry. Now let's move on to some practical advice that can assist you when traveling internationally with a criminal record. Always consult an immigration attorney who can provide you with personalized guidance. Make sure to have all relevant documentation. This includes your 601 waiver approval, court documents, and proof of rehabilitation. Be ready for questions from CBP officers and answer truthfully. Acknowledge the risks you're taking by traveling, and keep yourself updated on any changes in immigration laws. In conclusion, navigating international travel with a criminal history requires preparation, honesty, and awareness of current regulations. Always be consistent with your documentation, stay informed about changing rules, and remember the significance of seeking professional guidance to ensure a successful journey. Thank you for watching our guide on navigating international travel with a criminal history. We hope it helps you in your future travels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.